Albert and Jack are walking in the city. Here they are standing next to the bookstore. Albert and Jack are bookworms. Bookworms? Who are bookworms? A bookworm is someone who enjoys reading and spends a lot of time doing it. Albert, how often do you read books? Well, I read every day. My e-book is always in my backpack. I always read something in public transport on my way to school or home. How about you? I don't have an e-book. I read ordinary paper books. And just like you, I cannot leave a day without reading. I prefer reading before I go to sleep. Albert and Jack are bookworms. Albert reads e-books. Jack reads ordinary paper books. Goodbye, Jack. See you, Albert. Albert and Jack love reading, but they have different tastes in reading. What are they? Let's find out. When Albert reads his e-book, he looks for excitement and entertainment. Books give Albert excitement and entertainment. He has got a lot of humorous stories, science fiction, and adventure stories. Albert loves reading humorous stories, science fiction stories, adventure stories. Albert, why do you prefer these very genres? Albert says he loves humorous stories because they are full of funny characters and events. Funny characters and events. Science fiction stories because events take place in the future. They are fictional and extraordinary. Fictional and extraordinary events. Adventure stories are amazing because they keep you in suspense to the end. Keep in suspense. Now, let's visit Jack and take a look at his library. Wow! How many books Jack has got? Biographies, drama, and mystery. Jack, why do you choose these genres? Jack says he is fond of biographies of well-known writers, actors, and athletes. Well-known. Reading biographies is every time like a little investigation. Investigation. You find out what's gossip and what is a true fact about the life of a famous person. Gossip and true facts. Jack is a faithful fan of drama because it's always emotional and full of psychology. Faithful, emotional, psychology. Jack likes mysteries because there is always an intelligent main character who solves the mystery case. Intelligent. Solve the mystery case. Jack says this genre inspires him a lot because he wants to be as clever as the main character. Neither Albert nor Jack read fairy tales. Fairy tales are for kids, they say. Boring. Now it's grammar time. Look, Albert bought a new e-book yesterday. Albert bought a new e-book yesterday. Bought. Yesterday. When we speak about a finished action, we use the past simple tense. Time markers for past simple. Yesterday. Last Monday. Month. Week. 2 days. Weeks ago. In 2015. The other day. Albert bought a new e-book yesterday. When? Yesterday. Jack finished another book the other day. When? The other day. When we speak about finished actions, we use the past simple tense. Compare two positive sentences in past simple tense. Albert bought a new e-book yesterday. Jack finished another book the other day. Buy is an irregular verb. It changes its form for the past form bought. All irregular verbs have a special past form that you should learn by heart. Finish is a regular verb. It needs the ending ed in the past form finished. All regular verbs need the ending ed in past simple tense. Let's look at two more examples. Albert gave Jack an amazing adventure story last summer. Gave. Last summer. This book inspired Jack to travel to the mountains last summer. Inspired. 2 weeks ago. Surely that was a great experience. What have you learned today? You've learned different genres. Adventure story, humorous story, science fiction story, biography, drama, mysterious story, fairy tale, and why people prefer them. Also, you've learned how to form and use past simple tense. Well done!